in response to public complaints and concerns from the MLA of Kharkutta about the inadequate construction of the Adokgre RMSA Higher Secondary School, Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma visited the school today. During his inspection, he directed the Deputy Commissioner of North Garo Hills to promptly initiate an investigation and hold the responsible contractors accountable. The Chief Minister also warned other contractors involved in government projects that the administration will not tolerate any substandard work.
Are we done this? Flooring is issue. Would agree? Flooring is an issue. So we are here in the Adokgre RMSA Higher Secondary building, the new building that was constructed, and based on some complaints which are received from the public directly and also from the local MLA, that there was some issue with the quality of the work, and therefore I have come myself to see the work out here. And of course we are not qualified engineers, so I have asked the Deputy Commissioner to immediately conduct a detailed inquiry into the work that has happened out here and to submit a report to me at the earliest, and based on that report, if there are any shortcomings and if there is any compromise on quality, then action will be taken accordingly. At the same time, I would like to also take this opportunity to tell all the contractors who are working with the government that we should be very clear that there should never be any compromise on quality, and as a government we'll be firm and we'll take action wherever necessary if there is any compromise on the quality of the work that is meant for, especially places like these, like schools and hospitals and all the infrastructures that the government builds. Thank you.